Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39. I want to show you some Valentine's embellishments I made. I used the Union Square paper pad from Recollections. I was given it a couple of years ago and it's probably a couple of years old. There were no cut-aparts in it, but there was this page of words and pictures that I fussy cut, and then I darkened the edges with some distress ink. There were a couple other pieces in the pad that I fussy cut as well. I used punches and I used die cuts to add some extra oomph to it. As well, I had some builder's joint tape that I embossed with red glitter embossing powder. That came out pretty cool. And I had some confetti X's and O's I got from Target a couple of years back that added a nice little bit of glitter to it. You'll notice that some of the accents were layered when I put them together. I used different dimensional tape. I used pop dots. I used glue. I used tape. I was inspired by watching Christiane's Crafty Adventures. She had done a video on some embellishments and I thought, why not? And I added those embellishments to a mini album that I did. Here I thought I was going to cut those out and use those, but I cut the bird cage out of the cover. So that's what I made. Check out these embellishments. If you want, slow it down and you can watch exactly what I made. Pretty easy to do. I hope they inspired you. I've used some in a mini album, so check out the next video coming out. Please go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.